Hi everyone! In this session, we'll go over how to use Dragon Breath ribbons. This tool is mainly used for secondary animation on joints or controllers. It's commonly used for simulating ribbons and skirt dynamics. First, let's locate the Dragon Breath ribbon tool. You can find it under the Enzuo menu. After opening it, the panel layout looks like this. Let's go through each section. Starting from the top. This area is for quick selection. For example, if your scene has dozens of ribbons, selecting them manually would be tedious. Here, the tool creates a set for you. It creates a quick selection set, so you can select them instantly. These buttons are related helper functions. We'll skip them for now. Alright, below that are the basic parameters. The most important ones, mainly softness and softness distribution, as well as looping. This section is for breathing motion. It simulates a sign-like twisting effect. This block is related to dynamics, including gravity and collision-related settings. Here are the timing parameters, start and end frames, and a time scale. Alright, below that is the inertia simulation. There are 3 parameters. This one controls centrifugal force, used for effects like spinning or dancing, such as skirts flying outward. Okay, this section below controls how the legs drive the skirt motion. Here, at the bottom are the solve buttons. Alright, next, let's look at how to use each feature, starting with the selection set tools. For joints that need solving, you should select them from top to bottom. Same for controllers. It's the same rule. Always select from top to bottom. Follow this order strictly. Also, don't include objects that shouldn't be solved. For example, if I select this one and create a selection set. Same here. Let's name it BB. Okay, now the selection set is created. How do we use it? First, you can double-click it. When you do, it automatically selects the objects. That's it. You can also drag select like this. It still follows the same order. Another option is selecting via the set, especially when working with multiples. You can solve them using this button. This is the selection set. Above the selection sets, you can also create groups. For example, if you have many characters and many ribbons, you can group them. This makes selection easier. After creating a group, it only shows when selected. If it's not selected, it stays hidden. You can also cut it. Same here, you can delete it as well. Alright, selection sets can be saved. For example, when using the same character across shots, different cameras, or different animations. You can save them. First, select the controllers. Give it a name. For example, CCCC. Just a random name. Alright. After saving, let's delete it. Now reopen the panel. Take a look. The selection set is gone, but you can find it here. This is the one we created. Select it. It comes back. This makes it easy to reuse data across different shots. Alright, that's the selection set section. Now let's look below. These are the solve parameters. One of the key ones is the curve adjustment. This curve controls overall softness. The top represents the root. The bottom represents the tip. A flat line means even softness. To make the bottom stiffer, drag the curve downward. The lower part becomes stiffer. Pulling it further extends the stiff area. You can also pull the top up to make it softer near the root. Let's do a quick test. Set it flat first. Check the result. Set the softness to around 8. Ignore the lower value for now. That one is softness randomness. When solving multiple objects, it offsets the base softness by adding or subtracting randomness, so results don't look identical when solving a single object. This value has no effect. Alright, let's solve with default settings. I'll set it to 50 frames. The time range can also be set to 50, or reopen the panel. It will auto-update. Use this button and this one. They solve the selected controllers. Okay, let's check the result. Now we have a solved motion. After solving, the animation is placed on a layer. You can extract it, or use Ctrl+Z. Extracting is faster. Let's adjust softness. Lowering it makes it stiffer. It feels more rigid, almost like bamboo. Increasing it makes it softer, more tail-like. That's softness. For softness distribution, let's adjust it. If the bottom is stiffer and the top is softer, the lower part becomes straighter. You can clearly see the difference. Remove it. Adjust both ends again. Check the result. It's very noticeable. Alright, these are the basic softness settings. In actual shots, character speed may change. You might want to keyframe softness. In that case, select the root joint, click the softness key button. A new parameter appears, just like the base softness. Now, you can keyframe it over time. For example, start at 11. Later, make it stiffer. Set it to 1.8. Okay, solve again. Let's see. You can see softness changing over time. It ends up very stiff. Alright, that's it for this session. Thanks for watching.